Hey, it's Eric Lee with VictorEric Design Build. Today I am with Ying, our landscape designer, and we're going to show you our special VE patio project. Yes, we are going to show you a project that's very near and dear to us, and that's our very own VE patio. Before I dive into that, those of you who know us know that we're passionate about integrated design build. What does that mean? That's taking the architecture, integrated with the landscape design in this case, the interior, and building it out so that our vision comes to life. And that's exactly what we did for our own landscape front yard. Those of you who have come to our office will know that we've got a beautiful landscape front yard that we did ourselves. And it's always an object of curiosity, especially our Tibetan cherry trees. Everyone stops by and really looks at it and are curious about it. That we did about 10 years ago when we moved into space. Now it's ready and needing version 2.0. And what that looks like is we needed a patio space. We're inspired by the breweries and all of the patios here since COVID, so we wanted to create our very own VE patio. Ying here, our landscape designer, will share with you exactly what we did, the before and the after of our patio, and we'll share with you what it is now.
Hey guys, I'm Ying, landscape designer. So this is a garden area. We used to have a lot of shrubbery filled in. It's good, but we cannot use it. So we managed to remove a lot of shrubberies and one tree and create a space like this. And also there were several stone boulders on site. So we reuse the boulder, like stack it as a stool or table, whatever, and create a space. And then we can bring chair. And in summertime, especially now, we can use this patio as a meeting area. It's perfect. Somebody like have lunch, somebody have meeting. It's outdoor space. You can enjoy the sunlight. So it's perfect. So the idea is that we use existing material on site, a very minimal cost, but we create a new space and make the space meaningful and useful. Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah, so it was a fun project to do. It didn't take us too long, but now we have a great patio that we can enjoy. It can be kept open like this, or we can bring in patio chair and have a casual meeting spot, a lunch eating area for up to 3 or 4 people. Okay, so I hope you liked that video, and I hope it inspired you to think about your garden or patio space. Whether it be big or small, if you've got a landscape design problem that you want to solve, we're happy to help. Reach out to us at VictorEric Design Build.